Total Productive Maintenance, TPM, is a maintenance strategy designed to maximize the productivity of equipment and minimize downtime. It involves all employees, from operators to managers, in the maintenance process to ensure that equipment runs at optimal efficiency. The TPM approach focuses on proactive and preventive measures to maintain and improve equipment, rather than reacting to failures after they occur. What is Total Productive Maintenance, TPM? TPM is a holistic approach to equipment maintenance that seeks to prevent breakdowns and inefficiencies by fostering a culture of continuous improvement. The strategy emphasizes the involvement of all employees in maintaining equipment, focusing on proactive and preventive maintenance techniques. TPM integrates various maintenance activities, such as autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, and quality maintenance, to ensure equipment is always in optimal working condition. Key principles of TPM include autonomous maintenance. Operators are trained to take care of basic maintenance tasks such as cleaning, lubrication, and inspection. Planned maintenance. Maintenance is scheduled and organized to prevent equipment failure. Focused improvement. Continuous efforts to identify and eliminate inefficiencies. Training and development. Empowering employees with the skills to maintain and improve equipment. Who is involved in TPM? TPM involves everyone in the organization, from top-level management to machine operators. The main participants include operators. They perform basic maintenance tasks such as cleaning, lubricating, and inspecting equipment to prevent issues before they arise. Maintenance teams. These teams are responsible for carrying out more complex maintenance tasks and repairs that go beyond the scope of operators' responsibilities. Managers. Managers oversee TPM initiatives, allocate resources, and ensure a commitment to TPM practices across the organization. Engineers and quality control personnel. They support TPM efforts by identifying areas for improvement and implementing technical solutions. When is TPM applied? TPM is a continuous process, meaning it is applied regularly, not just during breakdowns. Key activities include preventive maintenance. Ongoing checks, lubrication, and minor repairs are performed to prevent unexpected downtime. Scheduled downtime for maintenance. TPM integrates planned maintenance schedules to ensure equipment is serviced without disrupting operations. Training sessions. Ongoing skill-building activities are held to educate employees about TPM methods and techniques. Continuous improvement activities. Regular assessments and adjustments to maintenance plans to optimize performance and eliminate inefficiencies. Where is TPM implemented? TPM can be implemented in any manufacturing or production environment where equipment reliability is critical. Common industries that benefit from TPM include manufacturing plants, where machines and equipment are the backbone of production. Automotive industry, to ensure high uptime of machinery used in production lines. Food and beverage, to maintain the performance of machines that handle processing, packaging, and other operations. Energy production, to reduce downtime and improve the reliability of critical equipment. Essentially, TPM can be applied wherever machines are integral to the operation, across diverse sectors. Why is TPM important? TPM is essential for several reasons. Improved equipment reliability. TPM reduces unplanned downtime, ensuring that equipment operates at its full potential. Increased productivity. With fewer breakdowns and improved operational efficiency, production rates increase. Cost reduction. By preventing major breakdowns and reducing waste, TPM helps reduce maintenance costs and the need for costly repairs. Employee engagement. TPM fosters a culture of collaboration, where operators take ownership of equipment maintenance, which boosts morale and ownership. Safety improvements. Regular maintenance ensures that equipment operates safely, reducing the risk of accidents and injuries. How is TPM implemented? The implementation of TPM follows a systematic process that includes the following steps. 1. Commitment and support from management. Leadership must prioritize TPM and allocate necessary resources to support its initiatives. 2. Training and development. Employees are trained in basic maintenance tasks, problem solving, and TPM principles. 3. Autonomous maintenance. Operators are encouraged to take responsibility for their machines, carrying out simple maintenance tasks and daily checks. 4. Planned maintenance. Maintenance teams schedule repairs and upgrades to prevent unexpected failures. 5. Continuous improvement. Regular evaluations are conducted to identify areas for further improvement, based on performance data and employee feedback. 6. Performance measurement. Key performance indicators such as equipment effectiveness, downtime, and maintenance costs are tracked to assess the success of TPM. In conclusion, total productive maintenance is a powerful approach to improving equipment performance and operational efficiency. By involving everyone in the organization and focusing on proactive maintenance, TPM minimizes downtime, reduces costs, and fosters a culture of continuous improvement. Its application in various industries has shown significant improvements in equipment reliability and production output, making it a vital strategy for any business looking to maximize efficiency and productivity.
This quiz is designed to assess a person's interest, knowledge, and commitment to learning about total productive maintenance, TPM. The questions are intended to gauge both your awareness and readiness to adopt TPM practices. 1. How familiar are you with the concept of total productive maintenance, TPM? A. I have never heard of it before. B. I've heard of it but don't know much about it. C. I know some basic principles and concepts. D. I am very familiar with TPM and its practices. 2. How important do you think equipment reliability is to the success of a business or production facility? A. Not important at all. B. Somewhat important, but I don't think it's the top priority. C. Very important, but I don't know how to improve it. D. Extremely important. It's essential to business success, and I am committed to improving it. 3. Which of the following best describes your interest in learning about TPM? A. I'm not interested in learning about TPM. B. I'm somewhat curious but don't feel it's necessary for me. C. I'm interested and want to know more. D. I am passionate about learning TPM to improve operational efficiency and reliability. 4. How willing are you to engage in hands-on activities such as training or performing basic maintenance tasks on equipment? A. Not willing at all. I prefer to leave that to the experts. B. I would prefer to learn through others' efforts. C. I'm willing to participate, but I might need some guidance. D. I'm excited to take responsibility and contribute to equipment maintenance actively. 5. What is your attitude towards working with a team to continuously improve processes and address issues related to equipment maintenance? A. I prefer working alone and don't feel the need for team collaboration. B. I'm open to teamwork but prefer working on other tasks. C. I understand the importance of teamwork and am willing to collaborate. D. I thrive in team environments, and I'm fully committed to improving processes through collaboration. 6. How comfortable are you with implementing new ideas and methodologies to improve productivity, such as proactive maintenance or continuous improvement, Kaizen? A. I prefer sticking to traditional methods and am not open to new ideas. B. I'm unsure about new methods, but I'm willing to give them a try. C. I'm interested in new methods and open to learning more. D. I actively seek new ideas and methodologies to improve efficiency, and I'm committed to applying them. 7. Have you ever been involved in maintenance activities or worked with operators to improve equipment performance in your current or past roles? A. No, I have no experience in maintenance activities. B. I've done minor tasks, but not much involvement in improving equipment performance. C. I've participated in some maintenance tasks, but I want to be more involved. D. Yes, I have experience and actively contribute to improving equipment performance. 8. How committed are you to understanding and implementing TPM principles, such as autonomous maintenance, planned maintenance, and focused improvement, in your role? A. I am not committed to learning or implementing TPM principles. B. I'm interested in learning but may not apply them right away. C. I'm committed to understanding and starting to apply TPM principles. D. I'm fully committed to mastering and applying TPM principles in my role. 9. How would you rate your desire to improve operational efficiency through continuous learning and development? A. I don't have much desire for continuous learning. B. I'm open to learning but prioritize other tasks. C. I actively seek to improve my skills and knowledge in operational efficiency. D. I am deeply committed to continuous learning and improving operational efficiency in every way possible. 10. If given the opportunity, how likely are you to take part in TPM training programs and activities to enhance your knowledge and skills? A. I'm not interested in participating in any TPM training. B. I'm somewhat interested, but I would need to be convinced. C. I would be willing to participate in TPM training to improve my knowledge. D. I'm very eager to take part in TPM training programs to expand my expertise. Scoring guide. Mostly A's. Low commitment. You may not yet see the value of TPM, but that's okay. You could consider exploring more about TPM and its benefits for your role or business. Mostly B's. Moderate interest. You're open to learning about TPM, but it might not yet be your priority. You may want to take the next step to dive deeper into TPM training. Mostly C's. High interest. You're highly interested in TPM and understand its importance. Consider taking further steps to gain more knowledge and participate in TPM activities. Mostly D's. Strong commitment. You're deeply committed to learning and implementing TPM. You're ready to lead efforts for equipment reliability and process improvement. Next steps. By completing this quiz, you've gained insight into your current commitment level to learning about total productive maintenance. Based on your results, consider setting a goal to explore it in more depth. Whether you're new to it or have experience with it, identifying areas for improvement can help you better contribute to process improvement and organizational success. Send your score to the email listed in the comments section and become part of our ecosystem for further future developments.